So, Delaney, Karina, and we researched Isaac Newton for our astronomer project. He was born in Woolsthorpe by Colsterworth, United Kingdom. So, Isaac Newton, he invented the three laws of motion. And his first law was every object persists in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change that state by forces impressed on it. His second law was force is equal to change in momentum per change in time for constant mass. Force equals mass time acceleration. And his third and final law was for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. And I put an addition and subtraction sign because because addition and subtraction, they are both opposites. And a couple of his inventions were the reflecting telescope and the orbital cannon. He inspired Albert Einstein and Neil deGrasse Tyson. A fun fact is in 1672 he was elected Fellow of the Royal Society Newton studied for a degree in law. He attended King's School in Grantham, England. He studied chemical library and later got his bachelor's degree, at Trinity College. He affects what we learn in class today because he made the first telescope and that has been improved so we can see and learn what we know today. Isaac Newton had a lot of quotes and they all were very smart. And one of them that I personally liked was what we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. And what he is saying is we know very little when there is a whole ocean still that we can discover. In his second quote was, I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. And his third quote, to myself I am only a child playing on the beach while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered before me. He got interested in what he does today because what he did do is because he bought a book of math and didn't quite understand it. So when he got into college, he studied space, physics, and astronomy all by himself. Isaac Newton died on March 20th, 1727. He was buried in Westminster Abbey. And these are the sources that my group and I used to find our information.